Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal wall mirror. So what you're going to need, you'll need some floral diamond wrap. I picked this up at Efavormart. You'll need some of these crystal teardrop pendants, also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of this bling wrap. This bling wrap is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need one of these round mirrors. You're also going to need a piece of foam board, a large sheet of foam board, but you're going to need a charger of some sort, and you'll use that to trace out your shape and then cut your foam board. I'm going to be using a 15-inch charger for mine, but you can really use whatever size you like. From Dollar Tree, you're also going to need like a little mirror or a picture frame, something from Dollar Tree that has one of these hooks on the back, because you'll need this hook to hang your mirror. But if you have some command hooks on hand, you could use command hooks. You're going to need from Michaels 15 of these little round mirrors. These are 2-inch mirrors and they come in a pack of 4, so you will need 4 packs of these from Michaels. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create this beautiful wall mirror, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this Glam crystal wall mirror turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.